on to the bout number 10. From blue corner, we have Jaideep from Tiger Tongue Club.
Guys, let's move on to bout number 10. We have Pramod fighting out of Team Amrit, taking on Jaideep from Team Tiger Tongue Club. Tiger cloth.
Alright guys, from red corner, we have Pramod from Team Amrit.
Pramod, yeah. Roar, Tiger, roar. Tiger is my. From here, they can pick up.
If you are close enough, it will be. But no, you can't. You can make fun of the fight. They're a team and
They all do fun to do that. But know the limits. Not a zero, black guy, black guy. Black guy.
that was Joe, not me.
Okay, round one is going to start. Pramod in red corner and Jaideep. Both the fighters are taking the time off.
Taking their own time to throw the first strike.
Both the fighters very calculative. A good outside low kick from Pramod. Yeah, good. Outside leg kick from Pramod. I'm like good exchange of outside leg kicks. Pramod is planning to close the range and land the strikes. But Jaideep is maintaining the range, he's maintaining the range and landing those kicks.
But he's also confident moving forward, moving backwards, and that eventually is going to take a toll on your energy.
But if you're landing clean, that's different. But you just can't go keeping backward. We have good fighters who trying to move backward and fight. Let's say Wonderboy Thompson, he moves backward and fight. But the difference is he lands the clear strikes of those. He takes advantage of backward movement. When you're in backward movement, it's still offensive, then that's different thing. But you cannot be defensive while going backward. That's something which could wear you out.
Pramod, he has more aggressive fighter.
Pramod is literally walking forward. Just walking straight forward. Now he's trying to overhand. I think Pramod need to set up his overhand. A good round one for both the fighters. They don't finish.
I mean, if it goes to decision, then round number 2, Pramod versus Jagdeep.
Okay. A beautiful left hook by Pramod. Both the people are exchanging the punches.
Pramod definitely the more powerful and more aggressive one. Between these two. That's a good knockdown.
I mean, look at the. Jaydeep is actually maintaining range. He's moving backward. He's all- I'm like, Jaydeep is actually smart, you know. When Pramod is trying to close the range, he's just hugging him. He's trying to get him clinched. So that fighter, I'm like, the referee is going to disengage and he's going to get his range back again.
Yeah, but
I think the moment the range is getting close, I think Pramod should land some. He should take advantage of that before the referee stops. He needs to land some good strikes.
yes, Pramod needs to be
Else, the,
manipulative rather than just going wild with his punches. Jaydeep is playing smart, but that is not the way one should fight, by just clinching and avoiding punches.
like everyone has their ways to win. By hook or crook, win it.
That's a good outside leg kick from Jaydeep.
Beautiful left hook by Pramod there again. A double leg takedown attempt by Pramod there. Let's set it. It's kickboxing again. Yeah. As I mentioned, when the range is closed, I think Jaydeep is worn out slightly. Pramod to take advantage, press forward and land those strikes.
And through those strikes. Oh, that was a huge, I mean, like a deep breath from Pramod. He too seems very tired.
Both the fighters exhausted.
Right, last 10 seconds.
I think more of walking contest.
Seriously, the third round was essentially walking. Second round, sorry.
feel third round there should be some sort of action so the judges can score something. You can't give judges anything to score without.
What's happening is Jaideep is just moving back and maybe using that to his advantage. And Pramod, whenever he charges forward, he is going wild instead of being calculated about his strike.
Final round. Now Jaideep is being calculative. Like both the fighters are trying to get a good head kick attempted by Jaideep, but Pramod is onside. Beautiful overhand from Pramod. Pramod is continuously pressing forward. Good cross to body from Jaideep.
Jaideep breathing heavy from his mouth. And so is Pramod. Both these fighters are exhausted.
Actually, Jaideep is cutting the angles at the right time, you know. He's not giving the space or opening so where Pramod can enter and attack. So Jaideep is cutting the angles very good. He's not just moving back, he's actually striking as well. He's moving back, but yet he's still striking.
And they go on the touch once again.
Hey!
That was a really good knockdown by Pramod. Jaideep is taking his time. Here we continue the fight.
Now Pramod is again pressing forward. I need to Pramod take advantage of this thing and Jaideep as well. Jaideep needs to understand that he needs to land clean strikes. When you speak of strikes, effective strikes, I think Jaideep has got it. But still, when it comes to pressure, it's completely Pramod, that forward pressure.
Jaideep completely
I think that was rocked. The last round, I think Jaideep was rocked.
he landed a clean hook.
I think that would turn the scorecards. That would matter. That's a huge one actually.
Yep. If this was continued even for a couple more seconds, this might have also been a knockout.
All right, guys. So we have the winner by unanimous decision. Red corner,